how to color in Discord and how to change color in Discord. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can change color of text on Discord. So first of all, you need to open your browser and search for discord.com and click on open Discord or log in to your Discord account. So let me tell you an important thing that the changed text color will only show in your web browser or on your desktop app. So it will not show on any mobile app view. So after that, you have to just open a channel or server of your own, and you can just copy this text document from here, or you can just screenshot it and write it afterwards. These are the codes that will give you the color text. So first of all, let's select a color code from here and copy it and paste it on our Discord server. Let's see if it works. So here you can see it works, and you can just edit any other topics, and after that you can send to your chat or the channel. So that's how you can also select other codes from here and just paste it or just type it onto your text, and you can see the color from there. And that's it, how this is it how you change your text color on Discord. So see you in the next video.